Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the Nissan Maxima on a level surface and engaging the parking brake. Lift with ramps or jack stands and chock the rear wheels. Gather 5 W30 oil and plan to fill 4. 5 quarts total capacity. Confirm your model year in the owner's manual. Assemble tools. 14 mm socket for the oil filter cap or wrench, 17 mm socket for the drain plug, an oil catch pan, new crush washer, funnel and gloves. Safety goggles and clean rags help avoid spills. Warm the engine for 5 to 10 minutes to thin the oil, then turn the engine off and let it sit for a minute to avoid scalding. Position the oil catch pan under the oil pan, remove the 17 mm drain plug and the copper crush washer, and let oil drain for 10 minutes or until the flow slows to occasional drips. Clean the drain mating surface, install a new crush washer, and thread the drain plug finger tight before torquing to 29 ft-lb. Remove the old oil filter with a 14 mm socket or filter wrench, clean the mounting surface, and coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil. Install the new filter and tighten it hand tight plus a quarter turn or to about 13 ft-lb if your manual lists a torque. Do not over-tighten. Using a funnel, pour 5 quarts of 5 W30 into the oil filler neck, run the engine for 1 to 2 minutes, shut off, let settle, check the dipstick, recheck for leaks, lower the car, and recycle used oil at a certified facility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.